In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix Roblox freezing, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. The first step that you can do to fix freezing is to actually go to your device manager and make sure that every one of your drivers are updated properly. To do that, you're just going to click on Search and type in Device Manager and click on this. Now it's going to open up this window and you're going to search for something that is related to your display adapters. So this is my graphics card right here. You're going to right click it and click on Update Driver. You can search automatically for the drivers, and as you can see, mine are already all installed. But if yours need to be updated, it will come up saying that you need to update them. After that, the next thing that you can do is go onto your search bar once again and type in Roblox. Right click and click on Open File Location, and right click Roblox Player and click on Properties. From there, what you're going to do is make sure that From there, you just have to make sure that Roblox is not actually running at the time, but you're going to right click and click on Properties, and then once that opens, you should be able to click on Open File Location. And as you can see, this is a shortcut, so I need to do this in something that is not a shortcut. Now, once that's all sorted out, you're going to actually click on Compatibility from the properties and click on Run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 7. You're also going to make sure that this program is run as an administrator, and once you click on Apply, you may or may not get an option to allow this action. I didn't this time, but then you're going to run the compatibility troubleshooter. It'll detect any issues and just try and click on Try Recommended Settings. You're going to test the program. Now, once Roblox has opened, it will say Incompatibility Program fixed, and you're all good to go. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.